Hey guys, you got it. This episode we are fitting the R32 GTR with big boy endless brakes. These things are absolutely amazing. The gold anodizing come out sweet. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see any more of the GTR build videos. If you're chasing R32 GTR front sway bar links, if you want to keep them original, go for it. That's awesome, but neat little trick.
Easy. Gentlemen, allow me a moment to show you something quite miraculous.
R34 ones, aluminium, fit exactly the same, about $6 dearer. They are so much better. You can see there that the old metal ones, like that, they weigh so much more obviously, and the aluminium ones, lighter, stronger, more aesthetically pleasing, cleaner look, and yeah, it's about $6 dearer, I think. I'll just grab you the part number. Shit. So yeah, part number for the R34 GTR front sway bar links. They look so much better. Let's get them on and move forward. See how there's a flat nut there and just a normal nut there. I'm guessing that's the bottom, but let's check out the old one. Have a look. So yeah, we've got nut at the top, so they go that way. There is a direction these things go. I'm sure it probably wouldn't hurt too much, but definitely let's do it the right way, and that goes to the top. And there we have it. I'm finished the sway bar links. So that's R34 GTR sway bar links fitted to a 32. Kudos is right. They fit perfect. They look awesome. I forgot while we're doing the front sway bar links that I did actually order new front sway bar bushes, so I'll chuck those in as well. Your sway bar link controls everything in the front end. Like you can see that there. Like look at it. It moves sideways and it shakes everything. I'm going to chuck the new genuine ones in just to keep it OEM. Don't forget, if you're ever doing sway bar bushes, always grease the absolute shit out of them. Done. In like flame. Righto, so this morning we're going to put the endless brakes on. This morning we get to do the front ones and I'm super excited. Engine's in, still not going, but it's in. I think I'm going to have to wait till our tech opens and give them a call and get them on team view, whatever you call it, and see what they can do. But yeah. The brakes are pretty exciting. I can't wait to get them on. The best thing to do is just to get a permanent marker. As I said, draw around and cut it. And you just make a cut all the way around. Just a clean, neat cut. We'll clean up the hubs. But that way the backing plate still stays in there. So you've still got your right clearance here. Okay, so we're going to fit the endless front brake calipers. Comes with all the washers and everything ready to go. Okay, here's our two brackets. So we need the right one, 2 bolts. Some Loctite here. do it up loosely for now. Holy crap, I'm massive. It's nearly as big as the OEM wheel. Okay. Make sure my hands are clean, don't want to get fingerprints all over them. Wow. That's so cool. Got some parts from Kudos Motorsports. Finally turned up today. Been pretty keen to get hold of this. Let's check it out. Hey guys, we are trialing some Norrie factory merchandise at the moment. These are awesome t-shirts. It's got the R32 GTR on the background. We've also got the Norrie factory logo across the back on some of them. If you would like a shirt in any size, please leave us a comment or get in touch on Instagram. Let me know how many shirts and what sizes, and we will get them out to you.